All right, so I just wanted to go over how to figure out what's going on with your Jigsaw account if you are getting asked for a password every time you log in to a live class. So you need to first, before you do anything else, you want to make sure that every day when you're starting your day, you're logging into accounts.google.com. So you're going to click that. And then you'll come to this page, and this is where you'll enter in your georgiacyber.org email address and password that you were given. So make sure you're doing this before you do anything else. So at this step, pause, enter in your georgiacyber.org email address. So once you've done that, it will bring you to your home page. I've got it blocked off here because I don't want to share anyone's private information, but you'll come to your welcome screen. So once you're logged into your Google account, then you'll go to clever.com/in/GCA. So that will bring you to Clever. And if for some reason it asks you to log in again, for any reason, it should not. It should bring you, if you're logged in through G Suite, should bring you directly to Clever. But if for some reason it asks you to log in, you'll always want to select Log In with Google and enter that Google information to get into Clever. But if you're logged into G Suite, it should dump you right into your Clever account. So from here, we're going to scroll down and we're going to click on Canvas. Now, once you're in Canvas, you're going to see your dashboard, and you can sometimes, you will see your to-do list, which will have a lot of your live classes on it for the day, but you can always go to the calendar as well. And so I'm going to scroll down, and you can change the view here, week, month, agenda will bring you the day view. So agenda is just to the right of what you're seeing up here. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to go to this Spanish class right here. So the links are not always live, which is fine. Just remember that's okay. You can highlight them, copy and paste, so Control-C, unless you're on a Mac or something, that's a little different, but for most computers it'll be Control-C, and you'll put that into a new tab. So for most of you, it'll dump you directly into Jigsaw, where you will not have to enter your email address. With the way that I'm having to do it, it is asking me to enter an email address. So if this happens to you for some reason, the important thing here is that you always need to join these Jigsaw sessions for your classes with your georgiacyber.org email address. Again, always join them with your georgiacyber.org email address. If you are logged into G Suite, it will do that for you. But if for any reason you're asked to enter an email address, always use your georgiacyber.org email address. So when you do that, it'll automatically pop up with your name, and it'll do that again if you're logged in G Suite. You'll just see your name come up, and that's how you know that you're using the right email address. It automatically picks up your name there, you're in the system, and then you click Join Session here, and it'll bring you to the class. You'll want to always test your camera, microphone, and speaker. And then you will click the Join Now button, which will be in the bottom right-hand corner. It's off the screen here, and you should be all set to go.